Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. So let's go into the software. Before that, just plan the model according to our dimensions. So our length of this model is 100 and height is 25. So just create this portion by using extrusion. Then remove these two cuts. After just remove this cut, finally add this rib using rib option. Okay, just go to the model. So before starting your work, you just initially set your working directory. I have set my working directory as I'm setting as a working directory. Just click OK. Go to new. So now we are going to do a part modeling. So choose part modeling, then untick this use default template, because we are going to set dimension as what we want. Just click OK. So we are going to draw our model in mm. So choose solid, just click OK. So now we got the default Creo software. Now just go to model again. So our length is 100 and height is 75 and this height is 22. So just first I'm going to draw this model. So just go to model. So I'm choosing a front plane. Go to sketch, use sketch view. So first draw the center line always. So I'm drawing center line. Just click the roller to confirm. Now I'm going to take a rectangle. Now you just take the line. Randomly you just draw our diagram. So I just taken random dimensions. So just confirm OK. So now this dimension is 100. Just click. This is 100. Control Z. This dimension is 22. This height is 75 from the bottom. Just fit screen. Then this extrusion, this length is this length is 100. And this length is 50. Now just do you want to orient our model. So this is our model. Now this dimension is 15. This height is 22. Now we can check our model. Just move this. So now we are done our model. So just click OK to confirm. Just go to extrude, sketch. So I'm going to draw this model as a symmetric. Choose symmetric. Here our extrusion length, just go to the picture again. The extrusion length is 64. Just click here, give 64 and confirm it. Press enter to confirm it. Now just click OK. So this, just go to the picture, this dimension model I have drawn. Now I'm going to cut these two sections. Just go to the model, the dimensions are 16 and 16. Go to model, so choose this surface, go to sketch view, just click references. So I'm taking these things as reference. So now I'm going to do mirror also. So I'm just drawing this center line. So take line, so this dimension is 16 and this dimension also be 16. So just go to dimension, choose, this is 16. So now we have done the sketch. Just click OK. Just again go to extrude, change the direction. Now we need to remove the material. So now it's OK. Just click OK to confirm. So now you can rotate by clicking the roller, by pressing the roller and moving the mouse, you will get rotate your object. You can see what model you have drawn. Then we are going to cut the similar cut here also. For that you just go to mirror option, just select the extrude tool, just go select this mirror, select this mid plane. So now you can see this portion also we have removed. Just click OK to confirm. So just go to the model again. So now we have removed this cut portion also. Then finally we just want to remove this also. Just go to the model, select this surface and click the sketch and go for sketch view. Then take the reference. Here we have model. So I have taken model. This also just take it. Just click OK. So the total length of this object is 64. So what dimension we just want to remove is, just click this, some rough dimension I have taken. I just created this model. Now just specify the dimension. This is 30. This is not 15 actually. So go to symmetry, just click, this is symmetric. So here the height of this length is, height is 12, this angle is 60. Similarly this angle also 60, this angle also 60. So everything we have specified. From that we can get this dimension also. Just click. So now we have done our model. Just click OK to confirm. So again just go to extrude, change the direction, just choose here to next, up to the next it will remove. Then click OK to confirm. So now we have created all the cuts. Finally we just want to create rib. Just go to the model. So everything we have done, this rib portion only we just want to do it. Just go to the model again. So select this plane, go to profile rib, choose this profile rib and sketch view, go to references. So take all the references, just click close, then just go to line, just create some random line. Okay, now the length of this rib is 70. So go to dimension, from here to here the distance is 70. The height of this rib is 40. Again just go click here and here this is 40. Okay, just click OK to confirm. Just change the direction. So now you can see, now the thickness of the rib is 12. Just specify 12. So done. Just click OK to confirm. Now this is our model. So just go to this one and select, go to standard orientation. So just go to the model again. So this is our model. We are done in 4 operations. First one, we have extruded this section, then we have removed this portion, finally we have removed this portion also, then we have created this rib. So we have done our model. For changing appearance, just go to appearance, click this appearance, click any one of the bronze I'm choosing, just click this part, click OK. So we have done this model completely. Just for more videos, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.